What's up, my YouTube friends? I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs, and it is beautiful out today. I am loving this weather, but you know what I'm loving even more is this super hot red Chevy Express van. And this is like double red because check out those Method wheels. That is the Method NV in red, and that thing is, I mean, it's beautiful. I like it. But let's show you guys what we did to this van in order to get those awesome wheels and tires to fit on there, because that is a 285/70/17 tire. So it's looking really nice. And this is something different. So let's look at this. This is a Falcon Wildcat tire. I do really like the sidewall on that. It does give it some aggressiveness and some sidewall protection. And it's got like the all-terrain look. So I'm gonna say like it's pretty cool looking. I like it. We've kept the super simple on the front of this. This is a 5-inch kit. So that's gonna be our spindle, coil spacer, and Fox shocks in the front of it. And you're gonna see kind of peeking over my shoulder here is a killer new bumper. This is gonna be our Predator bumper, and I will talk about that in just a minute. Let's go check out the back. So in the back of this, we kept it simple. This is just running the Fox shocks. In the rear, we added a 3-inch block and U-bolts. And now available for all of these, you know that we're making the progressive spring form, and I'm proud to say, well, if you're watching this video today, and today's March something, you know, I don't know, they all just blur together. We do have these springs in stock, and that's always a good thing. So 5-inch kit, 285/70/17 tires. I mean, this red is just killer looking, and I like the wheels. we've never run these wheels on a van before, so love showing you something new, and that is definitely nice. So I told you I was gonna talk to you guys about a front bumper, but let's talk about a back bumper. So we're already back here in the rear, and check it out, guys. This is our Chevy Express. This is our Predator rear bumper, and if you have not seen this, this is what's cool about this bumper, is you're going to notice there is a little flange here, and I'll actually open up the bumper so you can see it even more. This whole flange mechanism right there, and you can see that's going to lock into place. So this is completely bolt on. So if you want to do a bumper but you don't necessarily want the swings right now, you can always add the swings later on. Or maybe you just don't want the swings on there all the time. You can easily unbolt it with the 4 bolts. This whole teardrop plate is going to come off, and just now you have a very clean rear bumper. So let me open up the other side. So there it is, all opened up. You will also notice the 2 latching plates are also bolt on, so that you can have them on or not have them on if you don't have your swings right now. But what's cool about this, guys, is you can just buy a bumper, and later on you can just buy a spare tire carrier, and then add a second spare tire carrier, or maybe 2 boxes, or whatever you want. That's what's cool about this. This is our Predator bumper. I will put a link down below so that you can go over and snatch that thing up and buy it. But this is really cool. You guys asked for it, so we built it. Let's go check out the front. So if you watched our live video, you saw this bumper for the first time ever. Well, here it is again. This is that Predator front bumper. Really clean, ultra sleek, not a lot going on this bumper. And if you notice, the big thing on this bumper is it's going to go straight, and the ends kind of taper out, kind of like the Predator drone, hence the name Predator. So something really cool, boxed ends to kind of go with the boxed rear portion of it, just something different. Other than the stealth bumper, still going to be able to run a winch in it. It's going to have your recovery hook mounts on the front as well for additional lighting. So if you want to run those light force lights, you know that I'm a big fan of the Venom lights. I love those lights and have a set here. You can mount those right here on there, as well as do a light bar. Or maybe you want to run a set of HTXs up on the front. You have all the mounts to do that. So overall, fairly simple. Obviously this is, well, I don't want to say obviously, this is also a winch bumper, so your winch does tuck in there nicely behind the grill. And I'll let Austin come around to get a side profile of this, because although it's not the stealth, it does stick out a little bit farther, but still not that far at all. So there it is, guys. This is the Predator bumper, 5-inch lift kit, and Predator rear bumper. So that's all I've got for you. I hope that you found this informative. If you have any questions, make sure you guys leave a comment below. And I know that you liked it. We were somewhat entertaining. Give us a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done it, smash that subscribe button. I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs, and I'll see you in the next video.